So today we're going to be doing Grandstaff Canyon, named after Bill Grandstaff, who was an early pioneer in the Moab area. This is where he had his homestead and he kept his cattle. Bill Grandstaff, he was a part Cherokee, Native American, and African American. He's definitely a trailblazer in the area and a man greatly respected by quite a few people. So, and when you look at this canyon, you're really going to be able to see why he chose it. It's just a beautiful, beautiful place. It's also, and we're going to have a video of the point coming up, but whenever you lived in Castle Valley, which is where my home is, you would have to jump up on Porcupine Rim, cross over, and then you drop down into this canyon to get to Moab. So a lot of history back here. So I can't help it. I think it's just part of who I am as a hiker these days. All I'm looking at is the rims and trying to figure out how I can get up there. So I even started to head up and get up there. I think I found a route. I'm gonna save it for another day though, because this is a nice place and it gets so busy during tourist season. I won't be back until probably next fall. Attempt to get up on the rim, I actually came up here. I haven't seen any way up so far. I'll find one day, but yeah, gonna have to backtrack at this point. So I got pretty excited, thought I could get up there and do a stream and have fun, but time to make it to the arch, which is it's just right over there, like right down in that spot. Morning Glory Arch. Grandstaff Canyon is a moderate half-day out-and-back hike that follows the stream up the canyon to the Morning Glory Natural Bridge. This is such a popular hike during the season, it's recommended that you get to the trailhead early. Parking and access is limited. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for videos every Thursday and Sunday. Thanks for watching.